We're gathered here today to bid farewell to bioplastic. Seems like only yesterday I made him a makeshift hot tub, and then I crammed him into a hot dog tray, formed him into a little boat, and grew some microgreens. And a lot of people are asking, is it really biodegradable? And that got me thinking too. So I'm going to put the bioplastic out in the garden to check it out. Kind of form it into a little column about 1/2 inch on one side down to really skinny on the other side. That way we can see how much degrades. Now lay it to rest out in the garden for 28 days. Then come back, unearth them, check it out. Now we wait. I need some coffee. Hey, we're going to put this in the garden for 28 days. About a month. We don't need to be exact, but we'll go out there and check it out. If you guys are interested in it, stick around. We'll see what happens. If this is really biodegradable, it's kind of cool product to work with. And what I didn't mention in the first videos is that it's reusable. You can remold it. So if you make something and it doesn't work, you can always heat it back up in the water and just try again. And that's what I did with this piece, the little test piece that I made. I decided to put a chain on it in case the cat decides to dig around in there, or a mole, or what have you. But just to make it easier to find, I put a chain on the end, so I just dipped it back in the hot water, let it sit for a couple of minutes, and molded it around the chain. And it held on really good, so pretty cool stuff. I'm having fun with it. And there's a whole lot of other stuff that we're working with. I haven't even made videos yet. Lots of fun stuff coming. So you guys stick around. This is exciting, and we're working towards a noble goal, right? Alrighty, you guys get out there, live to inspire, and keep on growing. Be the change.